Good morning. Good morning. Oh, hi. You're such an early morning bird, huh? Oh. Hi. Hello, my morning birdie. Did you sleep well? Huh? Yeah? I think I heard a yes. Yeah? 은진아. 잘 잤어? 무슨 꿈 꿨어? You must have had a good dream, huh, baby girl? Yeah? Uh-huh. Hi. Hi. Oh, look at you focusing. Uh-huh. You are so happy. You are so happy. Ah, look at you. My bright and shiny face, baby. What do you think we should do today? 은진아, what should we do today? Those are some good ideas. Oh, stretch those arms out. Ugh. Oh. Hi. Yeah. And then? Oh. Tell me more. Huh? And then what'd you do? What happened? Oh, that was it? That's the end of the story? You. I'm so lucky. I get to see you in the mornings. You're so happy in the morning. Huh? Hi. 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 You like these morning chats with Mommy? Oh, they're so much fun, huh? Oh. Okay, guess what? Time for Mommy's coffee.